So hi all, this is Sachin VC. Welcome back to my YouTube channel Sach Film. This is the second video in the parametric family creation playlist. So today we are going to discuss on the parametric equation and formulas. So the last video we have created the parameters like height, length, width, and we assign the values and we check if there is working or not. I will check that also. I put height as a 200 and apply. So you can see it's automatically updating in the 3D model also. Okay, so I will move to the our main topic, and coming to our topic, you can see the family type. In that one, these are the parameters which all I created, and these are the value. So if you need to lock a value of any parameter from changing the project to project, that value you can enter by the formula column. So let's say if you need to lock a certain parameter, let's say height, you need to lock it as 200, means you just enter the value here so that it become dim in color, I mean half tone in color, so that it will be constant throughout the project. So no one can update this value until unless he'll open the model and he will remove from here. So this is the first thing, and the second thing is we can equate the parameter with another parameter. Let's say if the length is equal to width, means we can copy the entire parameter value by using select and control C. After that, under the formula column I can paste it here, so that if I click apply, means the values automatically equalize. So if I change the value of the length, means you can see the width value also changing. Why? Because I am equating the width is equal to length. So same the way it will update it. And also we can use the arithmetical equations like addition, subtraction, multiplication, division, and exponential. Everything we can use to create one by one. So let's start. For example, I am creating a new parameter as addition for my reference, and I'm keeping it as a type. Why? Because all the parameters is we are using the type only, and after that the type of the parameter. So it's a crucial thing. The type we need to select it correctly. The type of the parameter is a important thing, so we need to correct it properly, otherwise there will show some inconsistent unit error. So right now I'm adding the length with the length, so that the type of the parameter is length only. I'm click OK. So you'll find here, after that I can copy the length here. If I need to add 20, means I just need to enter the 20, so that the length plus 20 will automatically updated here. So if I change the length value into 1600, means you can see the addition value also updated. So this is known as addition, and also we can do the subtraction, multiplication, division, exponential. That will check. So right now in my reverse screen you can see some of the arithmetical expression as well as the trigonometric equation that we can implement in the parametric equations. So we'll start by one. So right now the first three are the inputs, I mean length, height, width, and addition in the sense we can add the parameter value with integer or parameter value with another parameter. That is not addition. Subtraction, then we can extract or we can minus the value. Then area, then we can multiply length by width. Then volume is length into width into height, we all know. So these things also we can implement. And volume into 2 means after getting the volume we can multiply by 2. And the division means subtraction. And I have added the angle as 45 degrees. So based on the angle we can calculate sine, cosine, tan. And so if I change the length value to 1500, means every value got updated. You can see all the value got updated. And if I change the angle into 30 degree, means the sine, cosine, tan value also get updated. So this is known as the parametric equation. These are the few and commonly used parametric equations that we can implement in the family type, and we can automate some of the sizing. So instead of creating separate family, we can create the equation. So let load the family into project. So right now this is my family file, so I just creating a new project. I'm selecting a system default metric. Okay, and go to the click on the control tab, back to the family, load into the project, and I have placed the family here. And click on that family, go to the edit type. So you will find all the steps here, all the parameters. So I just change the length value into 2200, means just click apply, so that rest of the things are got updated. So this kind of family is known as parametric families, and you can create the new type as length 200, sorry 2000, and length 3000. Click OK. So length I'm putting 3000, then again duplicate 4000, so I'm putting 4000. Click OK. So instead of creating separate family, we can select the family and you can change it from here itself. So this kind of family is known as parametric family. So try it out once, all the parametric equations, and do work with a smart manner. So this is Sachin from Sach channel, and thank you guys. Bye. See you on the next video.